and I was pursuing my MCA in KL College. I came up with from college, I don't know about the scholarship program. So I just wanted to attend the program, but it was nice to attend, but I gained some knowledge to technical activity or something. Through the interview, I was not expected, but it was, I did my level best, but I got selected.
And I'm from KD College. We got to know about this program from our college itself, and I came here for an experience, and it was unexpected to select for this program, and I am very thankful to this institution.
Academy of Technology. I'm currently studying final year in Electronics and Communication. I attended B Practical for a scholarship program called Code to Future. We had been tested for our logical reasoning and aptitude skills. The learning environment and the ambience was really good. The trainers also gave us a guide map to the full stack and web development career. After the test session, we also had a counseling session, which also gave a very good exposure to the IT industry. It was overall a very informative and good experience.